Know what you're thinking? You're like, man, I want to see a laundry cart all screwed up. Look at this, folks. What is going on? I mean, they got the wheels on this one bent forwards and backwards. I mean, look at this. Look at that. How are they doing? Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. What is going on? I mean, they got the wheels on this one bent forwards and backwards. I mean, look at this. Look at that. How are they doing? I gotta watch the videos from now on. This one ain't bad. They've squatted it down so it can get to a washer. I got the idea of that. That's cool. Sorta. Not really. I don't like it. This one, come on people, save the carts, folks.
Just let it go for a walk. Any place in particular?
I don't know where it was going, I didn't see. Now look at this laundromat now compared to how when I came in here. I mean, people say during the pandemic everybody's being cleaner. I'm sorry, I haven't noticed it yet. All I've noticed is people are tearing it up worse. I mean, what is wrong? Look at this. What is wrong with people? I don't know what's going on, but the laundromats have gotten way dirtier, and I know it's because customers are coming in a lot, but people, I mean, what the heck? I know what I told you, a messy laundromat equals a lot of money. So we're going to see how much money's in this one. Because his was really messy. I mean, it's real messy. Let's take a look at the change machine. What do you say about that one, huh? It was almost empty the other day. I didn't change it out on the normal day I do. I mean, not a bad stack. Now we gotta get all the money out of the machine. We gotta get the money out of the machinos. Throw that over there. I really hate this camera anymore. Top loaders. Top loader time. Keep looking around, I'm always afraid of customers. It's pretty sad when you're afraid of customers. That's one day. Top loader. You guys want to see the craziest machine I got? For some weird reason, stacks quarters. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, that's weird. Look at this. Every time I change this thing out, it stacks quarters. Can you see that? Can you see that? The one whole side, it stacks them. Look at that. It's the only machine I got that does it. It'll actually stack them. It'll stack them all along that one side. I know you're like, that's weird, but it always does it. There you go. You want to see what I mean, look at that. That's just a couple days. I mean, this bucket is like up to here. And I'm not going to be able to carry it either. You know what? I know a lot of you guys are like, man, you load those quarters so weird. I do. That's the way I do it, though. And it's my laundromat. You can load them however you want in your laundromat. I load them this way. Because I own it. Get these dryers unloaded. I love my stainless steel dryers. You buy a laundromat or you build a laundromat, put stainless steel dryers in. Now if you're in my area, don't do that, okay? If you're in my area, buy Maytag, because then that way you can't compete. Alright, well we got it loaded up. That's what she looks like loaded. Not too doggone bad. Now, this laundromat gains quarters because I had actually taken some of these out to another laundromat, the newest one, and I had it down to about here. So it's gained all that in just a week. That's why when we talk about laundromats that gain quarters, laundromats that lose quarters, this is a laundromat that gains them. So it's kind of nice for me because I have one laundromat that kind of maintains them. One loses them, or used to until that bill validator got put in. Then this one gains one. So this helps me out. I don't have to go to the bank as much. This kind of is my bank. Now we're going to try to fix this cart down here real quick. Now I took one of these home and I'm going to make the bottoms to these carts. I told you I could make them stronger than this. This is just some flat metal, and that's what the problem is. They push on them, and after a few times of doing this, it doesn't take much and they're weak. So, yeah, that's about the best I can do there, folks, because that's my level of expertise on carts. But yeah, so I'm going to make some. Now I may not show the whole video of making them just because some of you don't like my welding videos. I got to clean the toilet again. Some of you don't like my welding videos, so I won't bore you with that, but I'll show you parts of it. Oh. The video's over. Well, you want some more? Alright.